Bangalore, which is officially known as Bangalore. It is the capital and the largest city of Karnataka. Today we'll talk about the Silicon Valley of India. Today we'll talk about Bangalore and its water problems. So stay tuned with me. I am Sahil Vyas. Nemage swagata Arocare India. The city's history dates back to around 890 CE in a stone inscription found at the Nageshwara temple. It was a significant turning point in the history of Bangalore. Bangalore is a godly city with more than 1000 temples, 400 mosques, 100 churches, 3 gurudwaras, 2 Buddhist vihars, and even a fire temple. Bangalore has a population of more than 8 million and a metropolitan population of around 11 million, making it the third most populous city in India. Bangalore is widely regarded as the Silicon Valley of India or IT capital of India because of its role as the nation's leading IT exporter. Bangalore is located at the elevation of 900 meters on the Deccan Plateau, thus making it the city which is situated at the highest altitude among the major cities of India. It was the first city in India to provide free Wi-Fi called Namma Wi-Fi. It was given the title of City of Gardens because of well-maintained gardens and parks such as Lal Bagh, Cubbon Park, etc. Bangalore has India's only cartoon gallery which is organized by Indian Institute of Cartoonists. Bangalore has many educational and research institutes like Indian Institute of Science, IIM Bangalore, Christ University, and with this here are many historical schools, colleges and universities such as United Mission School which is formed in 1832, St. John's High School 1854, Goodwill's Girls School 1855, Central College of Bangalore 1858. University Visvesvaraya College of Engineering was established in year 1917 and at present it is the only engineering college under the Bangalore University. Bangalore is the home to the vibrant Kannada film industry and Bangalore has many aerospace organizations such as HAL and NAL. As of 2017, Bangalore was the home to 77 millionaires and 8 billionaires with a total wealth of $320 billion. Bangalore is the hub for headquarters of India's largest companies such as Wipro, ISRO, Infosys and many more. But with this, now if we talk about the water quality over here, then a study found that drinking water in many areas around Bangalore has high level of bacteriological and chemical contaminants making it unfit for consumption. It has been found that even the available water is highly polluted with organic and hazardous pollutants. The use of this kind of water affects on our health. It creates many diseases like diarrhea, cholera, typhoid, etc. According to WHO, globally 2 billion people uses impure water sources, due to which 4,85,000 people dies every year. So now it's our duty to maintain our and our family's health. Now, if we talk about the solution, then water purification is the solution. And water purifier is one of those methods we can use. But while purchasing a water purifier, we have many questions like water purifier's technology, its brand, the maintenance cost. The company which helps you in it is Arocare India. Because Arocare India is in industry for 17 years, 5,500 service centers, 1,350 cities, 20,000 technicians network and 15 lakh happy customers. That's why people trust Arocare India. Arocare India provides service everywhere in Bangalore. It provides a well-trained technician who makes sure hygiene on the time of service and uses genuine RCI manufactured spare parts which is ISI and NSF certified and quality and cost effective. Our work doesn't end only with the installation of water purifier, but it requires regular maintenance of all the parts like membrane, pump, filter, etc. And Arocare India helps you in it. Water purifier takes care of your health and Arocare India takes care of your water purifier's health. For more information, you can contact on Arocare India's mobile number, which is 926 888 770. I hope you liked the video. So do like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. We'll meet in a new video with some new content. This is Sahil Vyas signing off.